What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a Halloween Scarecrow. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We'll start over on the left side. Let's curve this up and then bend that out towards the side. Let's line up the inside on the right and do the same thing. We're going to go up and then bend that out. Let's go back to the inside, curl up the brow towards the center, bend this in and up in the middle. Now I want to tuck the bottom of the eyes underneath the brow. On the left side, let's step in, draw a half circle. We're going to come down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that up towards the inside point. Let's add a thick edge along the outside of the eye. From the left, we're going to step in, curve this down, and just blend that in towards the bottom of the eye. Now in between the eyes in the center, let's start with a point, and we'll angle the nose coming down and out towards the left and the right side. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, going up and then down. Now just underneath the nose, let's add a curve, come down and then up. And then we'll add a tooth on either side. Come down with an angled line, go up and then out towards the side, go back up and in. Let's bend the mouth going out and then up around the eyes. Now from the corners of the mouth, let's step in. Just going to bend this down and pull that in. And we'll connect these 2 points with another curve coming down the middle and then back up. Let's add a thick edge along the bottom of the mouth. From these 2 points, angle up and in. And I'm going to connect the two lines with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a thick edge along the outside, going out and then up towards the top. Now from the inside corner of the teeth, draw a straight angle line going up and in, angle that up underneath. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes, nose, and mouth. Now that we complete the face, let's move up and draw the front edge of the hat. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's add a curve. We're going to come down just up above the eyes, go across the middle, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's go back in between the brow and draw a straight line going up underneath the hat. Now I'm going to go underneath the mouth and add a curve. Starting on the left side, bend this down underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that back up. Now you want to draw the side of the head. From the top of the eye, step out, curve the head going out, come down along the side, and just tuck that in underneath that bottom fold. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting up here, going out, coming around towards the bottom, and then just tuck that in. Now I want to wrap the hat brim in behind the head. So let's start on the left. I'm going to round this out, come down and in. Let's add a notch, going up and then down like an upside down V. And then we'll continue that curve coming in towards the side of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Rounding this out, come down and in. Let's add that notch, and then continue in towards the side. Now from the top of this curve, we're going to bend this down and then up. And we'll connect these two lines with a curve, coming down the middle and then back up. Now let's draw the side of the hat going up and then flop over towards the right. Starting from this point, bend this up and then in towards the middle. Let's move over towards the right side and add that same curve, but we're going to drop this down a little bit lower. So we're going to go up and then bend that in. Now we're going to add that fold coming down towards the right. So from the top, bend this out and then down to add a fold. Let's step up, bend this out and up. Now I'm going to bring this down and then back in towards the side of the hat. So come down and in, and then bend that up towards the side. Let's add the trim across the top. We start on the left, add that same curve that we have along the bottom, going down and then back up. Now we're going to add some patches across the top of the hat. Let's start on the left, come down with an angled line, go up, and then back out. Let's add a smaller patch along the bottom from the hat brim, going up, go across, and then down. Now I'm going to add some stitch marks across the outside of those patches. So starting from the bottom, just adding these little short lines going across. Okay, now that we complete the head, let's move down and add a scarf across the neck. We're going to start on the left side. Let's add a curve coming down the middle, and then bend that back up towards the right. Now I'm going to bring the bottom of the scarf coming down and out towards the right. Let's start up here, bend this down, and then out. Let's go back up and out towards the side. We're going to taper this so it gets wider as it comes down towards the bottom. Close off the bottom with a slight curve. Now I want to draw on the side of the body on the left. So we're going to start up here underneath the scarf, bend this out and then down. I'm going to tuck this up underneath the scarf on the right. Come down and then up. Let's add a knot in the center. Draw 2 lines coming down. Close off the bottom. Let's add the bottoms of the belt. From the bottom corners of that knot, bend this out and then down towards the side. Angle this up and out. Now I just want to bend this back up towards the top corners of the knot. Now from the left side of the body, let's step in, draw a short line coming down. Let's bend the belt coming down and in. Let's go over towards the right and tuck this up underneath the scarf. Now let's draw the side of the body. Starting on the left, bend this out and then down. Let's go underneath the scarf on the right, go out and down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the body with a series of points of various length. We're going to start on the left, we're going to go up and then down. Just going to work our way over towards the right with these various lengths. Add some long ones and shorter ones going across. Let's add that stick in the center. Leaving a gap in the middle, draw 2 lines coming down towards the bottom of our page. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's go back up and add some hay coming down from the bottom of the scarf. I'm going to start on the left. I'm just going to add these little zigzag points going across. Again, just varying the length. Go up towards the right. Let's add a patch going in an angle, going up and then down. Then add some stitches across the outside. Now along the top, we're going to draw the arms going out and then bending down towards the side. Let's start from the side of the scarf, go out and then down. Let's round up the side, going out and in. And we'll bend the arms coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's tie some ropes around the elbows. From the top, go around and then back up. And we'll add another one. From the top, going out and then up. Now from the outside, let's draw the forearm coming in and then down towards the wrist. Let's go to the top, bend this out and then down. Now just like we did with the body, we're going to add some zigzag going across. Again, just making some longer and shorter. Now I'm going to place the hands in underneath the cuff. Let's start on the left, bend this in and then down. Same thing on the right. And I want to add a point going up and then out towards the hand. And I'm going to add a few fingers along the bottom. Start on the left, out and down. up towards the top. Now I'm going to add 2 more fingers on either side. Go out and down, back up. Let's add 1 more, and just tuck that up underneath the cuff. Let's layer those sticks in behind the arms. Starting from the elbow, draw a straight line going out. Do the same thing on the right. Step down, draw another line. And then we'll close off the ends with a curve, like a bracket. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Halloween Scarecrow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.